Now this is what I meant by using the Excel. This is a formula we've never done so far, so I'm going to show you how it works. Geometric mean, you want to go to formula, geo mean, returns the geometric mean on an array or range of positive numeric data. And we want to solve for, or we want to figure out, this is the array right here. .05704. Now, then we're going to do the average mean, the geometric and the average mean. What I already got that figured out is I-20 through I-23. These four right here. And then I divided by 4 because there are 4 periods. And as I mentioned in class, the reason why the geometric mean is always lower than the average mean is because this takes into consideration that these numbers are compounded each and every year. So you're earning 0.057% average or geometric mean, again, because the numbers are compounding. So each and every year there's compounding, meaning that the profit goes on to the next year and so forth. And that's why the geometric mean numbers returns are always going to be a little bit lower than the average. You can see what happens right here is you just take the 4 numbers and you divide by 4, and that's why it's always slightly higher. This is always better for calculating annual returns because it's going to take into consideration the concept of compounding with the geometric mean. So that's how to do number 4. Then we are looking at number 5. Number 5. Holdup Bank has an issue of preferred stock with 425. Preferred stock with 425 stated dividend and is sold for 92 a share. What is the bank's preferred cost of the preferred stock? What is their cost of equity? So if we look at page 456, RP. We're solving page 456. We're going to solve for RP. 425 a share divided into 92 bucks equals 0.0462. Now we're going to solve for number 6. And here's how we did it. We had to get the rate. This is another Excel function we didn't go over in class. That's why I needed to do it like this with the screencast. So what you're going to do is we're going to solve for rate. Go back and bring this Excel function down. Type in rate right here. You can see I've already been using it. Now, here's what I did. What's the number of periods? Is going to be, it pays semi-annual. If you read the problem, it pays semi-annual. The firm has a debt issue outstanding with 18 years to maturity, and it makes semi-annual payments. So it should be 36. What we're going to do here, just to show you something, these are the numbers we're going to put in. This is the present value, which is going in as a negative 1070. So these are the numbers we're putting in. Right? Number of periods, 36. And the reason why is because it's semi-annual. 18 years to maturity, semi-annually, that means it's twice a year. Payment. If it pays 6%, you know the par value is $1,000. That's $60 a year. That should be 30 bucks. Present value, minus 1070. The reason why it's present value is because, remember in class, premium par discount, you're paying $1,070 to buy this bond. Okay, and the future value is going to be $1,000. That's what you're going to earn. So again, 36 payments because it's 18% annually, $30 a year, $30 a payment, 6% interest. That means 60 bucks a year. That's why I get the payment of 30. Present value, 1070. That's what it's being traded at right now, or quoted at. Quoted at 107% face value. Future value, all bonds at par 1,000 unless otherwise stated. So one problem you're going to have right there is it's going to come up like this number, 0.03%. So what you're going to need to do, you need to format your cell, 6%, and right there. And what I did is I took F7 and multiplied it by 2. Now the reason why you multiply it by 2 is this is what's going to happen every 6 months. So you multiply it by 2, that way it's going to show you what you get once a year. So each and every year it's going to be 0.0538, rounded up 0.54%. That's what's going to cost them to borrow money. Okay, it's their pre-tax cost of borrowing. Now we go down here, that's pre-tax. We're going to look at after-tax. After-tax, here it is, 0.0538877. Feel free to pause it here so you can look at this formula very carefully. Times 1 minus 0.035. Again, 35% tax rate comes up with 0.035. So 3.5% is what they're actually paying after taxes for a cost of borrowing. And that's how to do 1 through 6. I'm bumping this homework assignment up till Monday night. That way you have time to play with this on Sunday and Monday. So it'll be due Monday night, not Sunday night. My apologies for getting this out later. It took quite some time to get it going, or to prepare it, I should say. But at any rate, please work through this. If you get stuck on Monday or Sunday or Monday, please email me or call me. My number's on the syllabus, and I'll walk you through it. Thank you for your time. Good luck with it.